Hi, everybody. Welcome to the official kickoff stream of the Complete AI Hackathon, on which you'll build every aspect of your AI product with collaborative AI agents. It's February 23rd, and it's time to officially start the challenge. My name is Joanna, and I'm the partner and marketing manager at Natively AI and LabLab AI, and I'll be your support person during the start of this hackathon. On this stream, I'll explain everything you need to know to succeed and eventually be on the podium for this hackathon. Let's start with the event schedule. We're kicking off now, and straight after, you'll hear the opening words from our team and the complete AI team. Then I'll introduce you to the challenge of this hackathon, explain the tech that you'll be using, what's your main mission, tell you what the prizes are that are waiting for you, for the ones that built the best at this hackathon. So to give you the full hackathon guide session and play the workshop that Complete AI team has got for you. Straight after, on February 24th, I'd love to invite you to join the LabLab Discord server for the Q&A session, on which you can ask any questions that remained after this stream. However, I really hope it will be super helpful guide for you right now, so there'll be not too many questions in the end. Now, mark this in bold. We're starting building now, and on March 1st, there's a deadline to submit your solutions. So all the projects that you're starting to build now need to be submitted on the LabLab platform by 6 p.m. CET time zone on March 1st. Now, let me introduce to you our speakers. We'll start with the opening words from Pavel Czech, CEO of Search and LabLab AI co-founder. Pavel, the floor is yours.
Hi, everybody. My name is Pavel Czech. I'm the co-founder of LabLab.ai. Welcome to another LabLab Hackathon. It's a real pleasure to have you here. Thank you for joining us. Over the next few days, you'll be participating in a true innovative process. You can find team members, access new technologies, and win amazing prizes. Regardless of whether you're joining us online or physically, I really hope that you're gonna find true joy in the act of building. I often say that building companies or building software is similar to writing a poem or a song. It is the act of creation, which for me means taking something out of nothing. And it's not easy. It's always difficult to be a builder, to be an innovator. But today, when you joined a LabLab Hackathon, you've already taken the first step to winning. And regardless of the outcome of the specific hack, I hope that you find amazing people in our community of creators and innovators. Once again, thank you to all the partners and the sponsors for this specific event. Please check out all the tech that's available for you. Make sure to connect with our team and ask any questions. Enjoy the next few days, and I hope that you continue to build with us in our ecosystem. Please check out our other services and our other initiatives to make sure that you can have a full journey from idea to prototype, MVP, and then building your company into an actual business. Have a great time and see you on the next one.
Thank you, Pavel. That was great, and I hope our participants are really warmed up after this one. Now, let's hear the opening words from Addison Ratanakovic, founder and CEO of Complete.
The founder of Complete. We built Complete with the goal of helping you create and launch great products. That meant creating a single workspace where your whole team can work together. It meant providing you with the most powerful AI tools and models available on the market today. And with AI agents being increasingly a crucial part of your work nowadays, we made it so that all the agents you need can work together. We've prepared a number of specialized agents that you can use to help you every step of the way in building and launching your idea. Let me tell you about a few of these agents. There is a product agent that you can use to help gather detailed requirements and put together the right product specifications. Then there's the architect agent, which can take those product specifications and help you in designing the right technical solution. Or if you already know exactly what you need to build, you can go straight to the coder agent and vibe code the whole thing. The coder agent is available for all team members in the workspace. This means that every team member, whether they're technical or not, is now empowered to vibe code the project, and there's no fragmented tooling among the team. Now, as product development is increasingly accelerated with AI, we believe the distribution becomes even more important than before. So we've created a number of specialized agents. The marketing strategist agent that's there to help you in preparing the go-to-market strategy, and the SEO agent, the copywriter agent. These agents are there to help you create optimized copy for your marketing site, after which you could then use the coder agent to instantly turn it into your marketing site. These suite of marketing agents are there, among others, to help ensure that you can get not only accelerated building of the product, but accelerated marketing of the product as well. All of these agents can work together as members of your team. When the whole team builds together and launches together with AI, a lot can happen in a very short amount of time. I believe that this hackathon captures many of the current trends, consumer expectations, and even challenges facing the industry today, where essentially every application is going to be an AI application. So what we built today has to be AI first and AI native, and where product design and distribution become super important because the technical part of the equation is significantly accelerated by AI. We're excited to see what you come up with.
Oh, we are very excited for what is coming and what you can build with the help of these many AI agents that you've got as part of your team members for this hackathon and full 7 days to build. Regarding the details on how to use Complete step by step, we'll have a full workshop by Ramiro Pino, Senior Software Engineer at Complete, on create your product from idea to launch with Complete. We'll show you the workshop right at the end of this kickoff stream. But first, we'll start with the Hackathon Challenge, technology breakdown, and the prizes. So stay with us and you'll hear the full workshop in just a moment. Regarding the Hackathon Challenge, in this hackathon, your mission is to build an end-to-end AI product using Complete Dev's collaborative workspace. So you should design and prototype a production-minded AI app powered by at least 2 custom agents created during this hackathon. So think that you've got a full product team in your hands with all the capabilities of Complete. Regarding the requirements that you should take care of during building, you should create minimum 2 custom AI agents using Agent Builder. Then you should connect the agents as the core product experience. You're building from concept to working prototype, and also think of the marketing materials. So as you've just heard during the opening words, you can actually design your whole marketing team. You should collaborate fully inside the Complete Dev platform. So keep everything in one workspace. Regarding the evaluation factors, so how the judges will be judging your projects. They will check how much you pushed Complete Dev to the actual limits. So you should focus on actually taking Complete capabilities to the max during this hackathon, and of course, showcase it in your solutions. So once you submit your project, actually describe how you used Complete Dev. Then there comes the product quality, agent collaboration. So how well the agents that you built collaborate with each other, the UX of the product, and the real world applicability. We want to see the solutions that actually have the real world application. Um, then remember that all the product and marketing assets should be created inside the complete dev platform. Regarding the technology and access to technology, we had very limited access to the participants to join this hackathon. So if you've been approved to participate, you can think of yourself as the top 1%. All the approved participants will receive an email straight after this stream regarding all the details on how to access the complete dev platform. Regarding the tech requirements on this hackathon, remember to build the product entirely inside Complete Dev. So take it as a core and, of course, required platform for the product and all the marketing deliverables. There also comes the end-to-end agentic product building. So you should have a single collaborative AI workspace. Then you should really test and use the platform capabilities. So check out the multi-agent collaboration, shared workspace memory, parallel AI models, governance, visibility, and of course, the full product to go to market workflow. Then the workspace also includes the pre-built agents, so make sure to use their power. There's a code agent, agent builder, architect, product strategy, and copywriter. So you receive free access and credits if you've been approved. There's no paid subscription required. So enjoy your access to the platform and push it to the max while building at this hackathon. What we recommend to all of you that are taking part in this hackathon is you should start with creating a complete dev account with the email address that you used for registration for this hackathon. Then you should invite your teammates to your workspace so you can collaborate in the same space, explore the platform, test it, break it, fix it, and check what capabilities it gives to you, because you can actually build the whole product team within one platform to explore the completely new way of building and using AI agents. And of course, familiarize yourself with the whole shared workspace and then build. Then regarding the prizes, for those who build the best solutions during this hackathon, we've got a total of $3,500 in prizes and the premium 3-month complete dev access for all the participants, all the team members of the winning teams. If it comes to cash prize distribution, the first place winner gets $2,000 in cash, the second place winner team gets $1,000 in cash, and the third place winner $500 in cash. For the additional rewards, there will be more than just 3 teams getting the 3-month premium subscription. We've got it ready for top 10 teams. And of course, all the approved participants already get access to complete platform. So use it and check what is waiting for you after you're one of the top 10 teams, so you can actually use it longer than just this hackathon. And we'll also have bonus perks raffled among teams that complete the post-hackathon feedback survey. So expect a surprise once you tell us how was your experience during this hackathon. Now, time for the hackathon walkthrough. So for all the people who are building with LabLab at a hackathon for the first time, the process is exactly the same as on all of our hackathons. However, if you're the first timer, watch and listen closely. How to actually take part in this hackathon. You've already clicked sign up on the LabLab platform on the hackathon site. You've filled out the registration form and you've been approved to take part in the hackathon. First of all, you should create or join a team on LabLab. So the register button will change into create and join a team. You should simply click it to join or create a team. Then we recommend to you to use the LabLab Discord server for communication with your team, because all the official support for this hackathon happens right there. So go over the Discord server, create a group chat with your team, and use it for communication during the length of this hackathon. Then we recommend coming up with 2 or 3 concepts that you're considering on actually pushing forward. and communicate with our mentors to simply check if you're staying on track. I also recommend to go to the registration page of this hackathon to read the challenge section once again and to make sure that your idea sticks to the hackathon challenge to actually get eligible for evaluation. So read the whole challenge so you're actually building on topic. Then there comes the building part. So you've got the full week to build your prototype, and then you should submit your solution on the LabLab platform. If you'd like to revisit the hackathon guide session, you can scan the QR code that you can see now on the screen, and all of these instructions are written down. So highly recommended to save that link for later. Now, step by step, with screenshots so you can actually visualize how to use the platform. If you want to create or join a team, you should click the button, create or join a team. And you've got two options. If you'd like to create a new team, you just click create a new team and you're all set. If you'd like to join a new team, you can just scroll down as well and you'll see the teams that are currently looking for members. So you can reach out to any team that speaks to you, apply to join, and the team will get the notification that you'd like to join them. Once you're approved, you're officially in a team with them. A small important thing, teams can be from 1 to 6 people. So even if you are building solo, you should create a one-person team. If you'd like to further chat with the potential teammates of yours, you can use the chat window directly on the LabLab platform or head straight to the LabLab Discord server, and there are people that are taking part in this hackathon, chatting all the time, same as mentors. So you can always reach out directly there and tell them that you are looking for a team and just straightforward ask if you can join their team. If you'd like to contact mentors, again, please scan the QR code that you can see now on the screen. It will take you directly to the LabLab Discord server if you're not yet there. And we've got a special list of channels connected to this hackathon. So it's recommended to ask any questions related to this hackathon, specifically on these channels, so you can get the support as soon as the mentors are available for you. A small note, they are active actually all the time, so you can reach out anytime. And if you use these channels, you'll get support immediately. These channels are Updates Complete AI Hackathon, Team Matchmaking Complete AI Hackathon. So if you've taken part in the team matchmaking session, you can go straight there. And also there is a participant chat. So if you'd like to just chat, use the participants chat. If you use a special tags that you can also see on the screen, and this is at mentors and at complete AI mentors, mentors get a notification when you use this tags. So if you need urgent support, use this tags and mentors will jump in immediately to support you. Now, a huge shout out to specific people that are responsible for our mentorship and community guidance that are always available to help you throughout the hackathon is Muhammad Namolar, the lead mentor and judge at LabLab AI. There's Dofia Wabza, our event and community manager at LabLab, Theodoros Ampas, our mentor at LabLab, and also Stephen Kimoy, our DevRel. So whenever you need help and you see these familiar faces, they are your support people to make sure that you take the most out of this hackathon. If it comes to submitting your solution, so you've had a whole week of building on March 1st, how to submit your solution. You should include the product description of the product that you've built. You should also upload to your submission form the presentation. It's a video format up to 300 megabytes, and it should not be no longer than 5 minutes. So record your screen, record yourself, add a voiceover, and showcase your product. Treat it just like a demo that you can record yourself. And also, you should include the GitHub link with the demo. To submit your project, you need to go to the registration page of the hackathon, access your team dashboard, and you'll see a big button and a countdown timer on how much time is left to submit your project. And just click the button Submit Project. You'll be taken out to a form that you should fill out. It is 3 pages long. but it's really quick to fill out. However, my recommendation is not to wait till the very, very deadline of the hackathon and start filling it out at least 1-2 hours before the deadline hits. So you've got enough time to think how you'd like to present what you've been building for the last week. You should give your submission a title, include a short description and a long description of the product. Then you'll be able to upload the video, the GitHub URL, and the slides if you want to support your solution with that. It can be a one-pager, it can be a full PDF presentation. This is all up to you. Just make sure that when you fill out the submission form, you present your product the right way, because this is what the judges will be taking a look at when they evaluate your solutions and choose the winners. If you'd like to get any additional tips, you can scan the QR code you can see on the screen and access a full article on that, so you take the most out of this hackathon. As always, I recommend you to follow us and Complete on social media. This stream has been recorded, so you can access it later on the event page at LabLab AI, as well as on LabLab social media. So feel free to revisit anything or send it to your teammates that couldn't make it live with us this time. If it comes to our upcoming hackathons, I know that there's many of you that love to keep the momentum going. We've got more hackathons coming up. So first of all, we've got a Search X open call hackathon with $50K dollars in prizes that has already started and is finishing on March 1st. It's running fully online. 50K in prizes, so definitely worth it. And we're building with OpenClaw that everyone's talking about. It's a super exciting hackathon. We're having that with Base and Search, so highly recommend checking that out. This is a self-service hackathon, so there's no kickoff stream like for this one. So you can start building anytime. Go to the SearchX OpenClaw hackathon page on LabLab website and submit your project anytime. Highly recommend it. Everyone's talking about it. It's super hot topic, so definitely we want to see what you can build with it. And then we have one more hackathon starting March 9th, lasting till March 22nd. Also 50K in prizes, happening fully online. It's with us natively and Search, and the main theme is AI trading agents with ERC 8004. So we'd love to see how you build your AI agents with trustless ERC 8004, building at the intersection of blockchain and AI. Now, all left for me is to wish you best of luck at this hackathon. Have a really great week of building. Remember to check out the LabLab Discord server, to talk to mentors, to enjoy the whole process of building. And also remember about the Q&A session we're having on Tuesday, so tomorrow, February 24th at 3 p.m. CET on the same LabLab Discord server. Make sure to tune in to speak directly with our mentors. And now I'd love to invite you to watch the workshop on how to create your product from idea to launch with Complete by Rami Rapinoe, Senior Software Engineer at Complete. For me, it's time to say goodbye. Best of luck, hackers, and enjoy the workshop.
From Complete. One of the engineers of the product. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can create and deploy one application with our platform. And for that, I was thinking about what to do, and I came up with the idea of create like a management app for a coffee shop or something like that, where you can create orders and be used for like the staff in order to manage the facility. So the first step that I did for this was just create a new channel called MVP Development, where I'm going to create this. And I just started with like a one-shot prompt in order for our code agent to start building this. And as you can see here, it's not technical, it's just more often something more like a product-based prompt. When I just say, I want to build an app to manage orders in my coffee shop, it will be used by both front of house to manage incoming orders and back of house stuff to prepare and complete them. And you can read all of this, but I added some more core features of about the things that we really want in the app. And the technical part of it is that I just decided one tech stack that I want to use for this, mainly Bit, React, and Chat.js for the front end, Banana Express for the backend. I want to use a database for this because we want to store orders in a database, like a real application. And I also said that we want real-time communication in order for the orders to fly between front and back of house people. So we want to have like WebSocket server working on this in order to have a complete functionality. So once I sent this message, the code agent just starts working. It's like that. It creates like a plan. This is just a bunch of stuff that is building the environment. It's making sure everything is working. And once everything is done in order to start, it just creates a plan in order to implement this application. And then you can see how it starts with the phase one and it goes. You can follow this. I already did it because this can take some time because it's not an easy application to start with. So it takes several minutes, but you can see that as long as the agent is building, you will receive these updates to basically know what is happening. So fast forward to one of the last phases. Here is the last phase that is just deploy and verify the end-to-end application. The agent will deploy the app itself. It will take care of all the things that it needs to do in order to deploy this and for the app to be just in the wild. And once it finishes, you can see that it says that, okay, the coffee shop order management apps is built and deployed. Here, what is complete, it just gives you like a real point view of what it did, and then it gives you like directly a link. So you can open this link and you just can access your application live. And I can just enter as front of house. And I was already testing this before this video, so we already have new orders. We are front of house here. We go to back of house, and you can see that if I create a new order, let's say that is for table 10, and we can add 2 cappuccinos, and I don't know, a chocolate brownie, and a croissant. We place the order. This is already sent via the WebSocket to the other application. We can see the order here, that is number 5. The backend staff can start preparing. We see the notifications that the order is being in progress. We can mark it as complete, and we see that it's complete, and so it's ready for pickup. What is nice about this is that since the app is working, then we can start changing things, fixing things that we see that are not working in the right way. For example, here I ask the code agent just to add dark mode because we only had like this light theme. So it created all the changes required for that in that dark mode. And I also changed the names to Rama's Coffee. Some people call me Rama, so I added that. And it changed the name. And we can just, again, tell the agent to do something if we want to keep iterating over this. For example, we want to be able to, I don't know, delete orders pending. Maybe something was not right with an order, and we want for this to be changed. So what this should do is to, oh, sorry, I forgot to tag the agent. So what this should do is update the code, make that change, and we should see this in real time without the need to do anything. So now we wait. While we wait for this change, I want to show you that Olesia from marketing made like a go-to-market strategy in order to create this application in more of like a proper app that we're going to show. And you can see that we have, for example, an example with a strategy planner where a senior, we are telling the agent that is a senior B2B marketing strategist, and Alicia just explaining what we want to do. Is create the value proposition, all the plan, and then she also made like she also used a copywriter agent in order to create like the landing page content that we want. And the nice thing about this is that once these documents are completed, the agents have access to this. So what she did after that was she created the landing page using those documents. So she told the code agent, taking everything you know about Rama's coffee, please create stylish landing page website. So since the code agent has access to that file and all the context that we already created, it just creates this nice looking website using those documents as like the starting point. And then also, of course, she was able to request for changes right away. And she ended up with the result that she liked. But again, this was done by Olesia, who is from the marketing team, so not real technical experience, but she was able to create this nice looking landing page in like 10 minutes. We can see that the agent finished our change. It's not looking great, but we can, of course, tell it to fix the button. But we can say that now we can cancel orders as we wanted. And all of this was in real time, so no need to redeploy, no need to refresh anything. It's just working out of the box. So yeah, that's it. You just keep iterating over this chat, requesting more changes, and until you want to deploy and have something that you like. That's it. Thanks.